for Matt, giving it the old college try. Here we go. Come on, come on. Well, spinning. Let's get the first thing underway.
No, in the smoke here, sure.
Oh, there's smoke. You see smoke, Matty? Keep her revving, man. Keep her revving. Come on, folks. Put your hands together for young Matty Bird.
Better gear down.
We'll stand up. Can we do the PDI in the new bike as well?
Oh yeah.
Break her in?
Clear plates and brakes and stuff like that.
Must be wide open. It probably is.
Wing, gold wing, gold wing. This will be the first guy we've had that can do a burnout with the radio playing. New Brunswick plates, and the guy says he's from Vancouver. What's your name, bud? Kirby? Kirby? From Vancouver. Kirby all the way from Vancouver to do a burnout on a gold wing.
So who's
I don't know if one of these will burn tire. Can you be able to skin the tire, you think, on this?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Any challenges you want to put out for fellow gold wing owners out there?
I see some more gold wings up here, but I guess we gotta show you how it's done, eh?
Hey.
Only one real man on a gold wing showing up for the burnouts here. Let's hear it for Kirby from Vancouver. Young Kirby from Vancouver. You got lots of rubber left, Kirby. No, maybe not. Maybe we'll stop there.
Yeah. Give her another hand. She's walking tonight. Now, if that doesn't throw down the challenge to some other folks to come on out here, I don't know what will. That was a challenge.